My dear brilliant kids, greetings to you. How are you all? We should not say I am fine. I am good, sir. We are great. Everything is going on well. Allah means okay. And then in this video schedule, I would like to show you types of walking. Are you ready? Okay. So there are 7 plus walking types are there. Among those, number 1. Are you ready? Leap walking. What is meant by leap walking? Leap walking means jumping. Okay. So this is called leap walking. What it is called? Leap walking. Jumping. Okay. Sometimes then thought kodaniki suddenly we will do the leap movement. That is called leap walking. Then one more. Which one is one more? Tiptoe. Tiptoe. While escaping. Especially small kids. While escaping from anything, you will be moving like this pattern. This is called leap walk. Yes or no? This is called leap walk. To escape from your parents, you will move. This is called leap walk. And then one more. Stride. What is meant by stride? Confident walk. Stride means confident. Just normally. This is called stride. Confident. Teachers. Our correspondents are parents, tutors. Walking slowly and confident is called confident walk. And next one, sprint. What is meant by sprint? Fast, very faster. Sprint means very faster. This is called sprint. Sprint walking. Next one more. Stomp. 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 Stomp means loud walking. Stomp. This is called stomp. Okay, sometimes in some situations, such type of walking is called stomp walk. Next one, what is meant by stroll? Stroll means slow walking. I will show you. Slow walking, lazy walking, slowly. ఏం చేద్దాం వీళ్ళు రావా అవును 5 రోజులు పోద్దు మనము నిమజ్జనం చేస్తారు సార్ తింటాంలే ఏం కాదులే జ్వరమని చెప్తాంలే నిద్రపోదురా సరే such type of walk is called slow, very slowly, lazy walk while talking in the mobile or else while going anywhere. Tirugunta taagunta nidaanam veldam jatra. Especially in jatras we can see such type of walk. Still anything? Travel అంటే మీకు తెలుసు బేబీ మోకాలు చేతులతో ఎలా అయితే బేబీ వాక్ చేస్తుందో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ బేబీ వాక్. ట్రావెల్ అంటే పాకడం. స్నేక్స్ అండ్ కెలోటిస్, తొండపిక్కి, టార్టాయిస్, క్రొకడైల్, these all are called travel walk. Dear kids, are you clear? Yeah. Thank you.